Embarking on a journey in healthcare in Qatar is nothing short of exhilarating. Picture yourself contributing to a vision of excellence in the heart of the Middle East, making a tangible impact in people's lives. But before you can dive into this fulfilling career path, there's a crucial checkpoint: the Department of Healthcare Professions, Ministry of Public Health exam. Now let's unravel the significance of this exam. It's not just a test, it's your gateway to Qatar's esteemed healthcare sector. Imagine being part of a country's ambition to become a global healthcare powerhouse. That's the opportunity the DHP MOPH exam offers you. But let's be real. Navigating through the registration process can feel like tackling a labyrinth. That's why I'm here to guide you through it, step by step, ensuring you embark on this journey with confidence and clarity. Step 1. Eligibility verification. It all starts here. Confirming you meet the DHP MOPH's criteria is paramount. Think of it as laying the foundation for your dream career. Step 2. Document compilation. Gather your papers, your qualifications, your experiences, everything that showcases your expertise and dedication to healthcare excellence. Step 3. Apply for the exam. It's time to put your aspirations into action. Complete the application form meticulously, leaving no stone unturned. Step 4. Document submission. Crossing your T's and dotting your I's, ensure your documents are in order before submission. A small detail can make a big difference. Step 5. Exam fee payment. Finances can be daunting, but investing in your future is priceless. Pay the exam fee, securing your spot on this transformative journey. Step 6. Exam scheduling. Choose your date, your time. It's all in your hands now. Plan wisely and the path to success becomes clearer. Step 7. Exam preparation. This is where the magic happens. Dedicate yourself to preparation, immerse yourself in knowledge, and watch yourself grow. Step 8. Exam day. Nerves are natural, but so is your capability. Arrive prepared, documents in hand, ready to conquer the challenge ahead. Step 9. Awaiting results. Patience is key as you await your results. Remember, it's not just about passing, it's about what comes next, fulfilling your dreams in Qatar's healthcare realm. Now, here's where NEAC steps in, your guiding light in this journey. With NEAC, navigating through the complexities of the DHP MOPH exam becomes a breeze. Let us handle the paperwork, the deadlines, while you focus on what truly matters: preparing to excel. Imagine a stress-free journey guided by experts with over 16 years of experience. That's NEAC for you, your partner in success. So, if you're ready to turn your aspirations into reality, reach out to NEAC today. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Your journey to Qatar's healthcare sector starts here. Let NEAC pave the way for your success.